Here's a breakdown of potential solutions for the error, failed to connect to network as network settings are incomplete in Dragons Dogma 2. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable and operational. Restart your router or modem to troubleshoot connectivity issues. Confirm you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi network with the accurate password. Verify in-game network settings. Navigate to the Network Settings menu within Dragons Dogma 2. Confirm that all settings, such as proxy server configurations, firewall restrictions, or MTU settings, are accurately configured. Check for software conflicts. Some antivirus or firewall software may block the game's connection. Temporarily disable these programs to see if it resolves the issue. Update game and console software. Ensure both Dragons Dogma 2 and your console's operating system are updated to the latest versions. Updates often include bug fixes and network improvements that may resolve connectivity issues. Contact Capcom support. If the above solutions don't work, reach out to Capcom's official support for Dragons Dogma 2. They may provide additional troubleshooting steps or identify specific game-related issues. Find their support contact information on the Capcom website. By following these steps, you can potentially resolve the network connectivity problem in Dragons Dogma 2.